Hey there, and welcome to the CECIES settings menu. Check out the other videos before this in the CECIES tutorial series on the Glitched Polygons YouTube channel. The settings provided here are not very spectacular. Most of the stuff is found inside the app's keyring menu and the main window. But here you can choose how much to compress messages before encrypting them. This is useful, for example, when encrypting zip files or tar.gz archives. In those cases, you can quickly set this to 0 since the files are already compressed. CECIES will then proceed to only encrypt them without applying any compression. A higher value means strong compression, but also means that it's going to be slower. Down here we have settings for changing the app's theme, enabling and disabling sound effects, automatic update checks on program start, as well as language setting and the reset button. Note that the reset button only resets the settings inside this dialog window. The keyring and your sacred keypair are not affected by this. The About button shows you boring version numbers and legal notices for the open source licenses in association with this software. Thanks for watching, and have a great time.